Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'm going to show you how to install a shower head. So we're going to install it onto this pipe right here. And this is a new shower head. Shower heads are very simple to install. If you look inside, you'll see it's threaded. And this one has a little screen on it, but it also has a washer at the base right there. And that is important. You need that washer in there. Now, this is usually plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it. And even though it has this plastic washer at the base, it's probably still a good idea to use some Teflon tape. And so I have a roll of Teflon tape, and I'm just gonna put a couple wrap it around a couple times on the threaded part. This is going to be a challenge, holding a camera and doing this at the same time. But you just kind of give it a couple wraps. And there we go. So I put the Teflon tape on there. And now I'm just going to simply screw on the shower head. Now this shower head has a screen in there, so theoretically that screen can get clogged over time. So this may be something you'll need to do. If your pressure starts dropping, you may need to clean that screen, which will involve undoing this. But you just hand tighten it. You don't want to over tighten these things because it's a plastic. This part's plastic, and you can easily crack it. If I've used pliers to get it nice and tight, and I've actually cracked this. So hand tight, from my experience, works just fine. All right. So as you can see, the shower head works, and we have no leaks. Really, this Teflon tape is kind of a secondary kind of protection. That rubber washer inside is your primary leak protection. But it's always a good idea to put a little Teflon tape there. As you can see, there's no leaks, and it's working as it should. If you are a Green Residential tenant and you need help installing a shower head, you can let the office know, and we can send out a handyman to help you install a shower head. If you found this video helpful, you can hit the like button. If you'd like to get more videos like this, you can hit the subscribe button. We put out videos like this regularly. I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.